here's a room tour of room 12314.
Hello. Come on in.
Alright. Here inside. Right now we have the two twin-size beds put together as a king. To the right, we have a connecting door. This is a connecting room and an LG television. I would say probably about 37 to 40 inches. Now if you come in, she is not included. On the left-hand side is a nice round vanity mirror with a light going all the way around the rim. Up top is your air conditioning, which the controls are over here by the door. As well as light controls. Now back to the vanity. We have shelving and several plugs. And this is the switch for the vanity. Underneath the vanity is this ottoman, which you can actually open and store things in, as well as flip it over so that it's a sort of a table. Also under the vanity is a mini fridge with a glass door so you can actually see what's inside, and there's a light. So you open it up, we have our water in there. Now facing the bed. On each side of the bed is a light and a USB plug, which you can see I have my fan plugged into. The light is sort of a reading light, so if you pull it out, it immediately turns on and you can twist it as well. In the middle of the bed, the two left-hand switches switch on and off the main lights, and the middle switch actually turns on a light that goes above the bed, so watch. There is dolphin artwork in here that she wants to take home. Yeah. On the right hand side, same thing, USB port and a reading light. Now, as we go back towards the entrance, we have the bathroom, but the switch is out here, just outside the door. Now, another nice large mirror, some shelving, a vanity mirror so you need to do your makeup, and then above all that is actually another plug. Now you have your typical toilet things, but the thing about the Mardi Gras is this shower door, which you can open. The shower, I think, is a little bit bigger than other ships that I've been on. And it also has the shaving bar, so you can shave your legs or whatever. The door does slide open and closed. Now, as you enter the room, on the left-hand side, you have various closets. As well as the safe. These pull out. And you just put it back in. And the second set, you can hang things. And what is also cool about these is this section here, you can actually pull the tab up to put it on a shelf. Or you can have a full-length closet for hanging dresses and things like that. Same thing over here. You could have full length, but I have a shelf here. These are my clothes for tomorrow. And then another large, it's actually a full-length mirror inside the cabinet door. So that is a tour of room 12314.
have an idea. That was my idea, but